Welcome to the Mid-Atlantic region. My name is Ashley.
And my name is Kamila.
We have many interesting sites for you to visit, such as Pennsylvania, Delaware, New Jersey, and New York.
What is my specialty? People don't just call the Mid-Atlantic region the breadbasket for no reason. The region grows a lot of livestock, such as grains, rye, and corn. This region accepts diverse religion. You also don't need to pay rent for your farmland. Who lived here? The people who settled here were the peaceful Welsh Quakers and polite Englishmen. The Quakers have the will to make a movement against slavery. Only men are allowed to vote.
What do we need? The other goods that come from other regions are cotton, metal tools, and equipment. What are my characteristics? In this region, you will find various wide and deep rivers, the Appalachian Mountains, and the coastal lowlands. There are rivers where you can go fishing. The climate here is moderate, which is good for agriculture.
The social and political life. Our political decisions are decided in market towns. People would also interact in market towns or churches. Thank you for listening. Bye.